What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Look guys, it is actually raining outside, and you know what that means. I'm gonna be going on a little POV drive for you guys. It keeps kind of going on and off and stuff like that, but you guys comment that you guys like the rain POV drive, so that's what your boy's about to do. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain, but it's actually raining really bad right now, or kind of hard, but it doesn't really matter, man, because we're gonna be in the 440,000 giving you guys a beautiful POV drive in the rain. So I hope you guys enjoy, and it's only right that you guys smash that like button for your boy, because as you guys know, it's dangerous driving out here, man, especially in the rain. But for you guys, man, I'm willing to risk it all. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and all that, and then let me go ahead and run to the car because I don't want my camera to get wet, and I'll see you guys there. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever understand New York weather, bro, because it didn't even say that it was supposed to rain today, and then out of nowhere it just started raining like crazy. But it is what it is, man. At least gives me an opportunity to make a POV drive in the rain for you guys. But right now, for some reason, it kind of stopped, but it's still kind of drizzling out. And I'm finally back, you guys. If you guys didn't watch my previous videos, I was up in Vermont for the weekend. We stayed at Airbnb. We did a couple of activities. What the heck? Why is it telling me to fasten my seatbelt? You know what's weird, you guys? Look, it's telling me to fasten my seatbelt, and you know why it's telling me that? Because I have my headphones on the passenger seat. Watch when I take it off. It's the weirdest thing. It says that these headphones are not that heavy, bro. Like, it senses somebody there, but there's nobody actually there. And you know, I realized that a while back. That I'm like, what the heck? I thought my car was broken. And then one time I took off my my headphones from there. I thought it was my seatbelt that was broke. I took off my headphones, and then it just stopped, bro. I don't know. It's the weirdest thing. I guess I don't know how those headphones can be that heavy, but you know, I guess there's somebody that's that light. But anyway, you guys, yeah, man, we're finally back in the 440,000. I haven't driven this car in, I want to say, a week, like a whole week. It's just been parked up, you guys. Like, you know, like I said, unless I'm doing a video or I'm going somewhere crazy, you know what I'm saying, I don't drive this car, you guys. So, you know, I wish I could drive it more. I could. It's just that I just be working, you guys, and you know, you guys know that YouTube is not like my only thing in terms of like money wise. Like, YouTube doesn't make me any money, so I can't just do this full time. That would be nice, but that's just not the reality of things. And yeah, man, I really miss this car, bro. I honestly wish I could have taken it with me to Vermont, but this car needs an oil change. It needs a whole bunch of stuff. So like driving 6 hours there, 6 hours plus back, it just wasn't smart. So, you know, I still drive it here and there, but nothing crazy. Hold on, this seat is getting too hot. But how you guys been, man? Welcome back to the POVs with your boy Sticks in the 440,000. I hope you guys have been doing good. Honestly, I'm alright. Like, you know, I'm not gonna say I'm doing good or anything like that, but I'm good, man. And you know, I'm just here, bro. Honestly, bro. There's just, you know, some days where you're up, some days where you're down. And this week has just been one of those days or one of those weeks where I just been down, man. I don't know, man. And I'm still trying to stay consistent with YouTube, but it's hard, you know, when you put a lot of time into something and you just don't get the result that you expected or you think you deserve. But it is what it is, man. This YouTube life is not for the weak, man. If you think that YouTube is easy, it's really not. And yeah, bro, especially for this kind of things like car content. For one, honestly, guys, like, if you want to make content about cars, bro, like, I feel like you gotta have money, bro. Because if you don't got money and you're not modding the car, people are just not gonna watch, bro, unless you like grow that audience that really like fucks with you as a person, and just like whatever you post they fuck with. I don't know if that's the case. I don't think that's the case yet with my channel, because honestly, if I don't post a car video like POV or something like that, it just does so bad. And I put so much time into those videos, bro. Like, it's kind of depressing, to be honest, because we put a lot of time and effort, and I'm not the only one. We put a lot of hours, bro, and like effort into each video. So when that shit doesn't do good, bro, let me tell you, that shit hurt low key. But hey, that's just the game, man. You just gotta keep pushing, keep going forward and stuff like that. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I've thought about like opening like I don't really know how to go about it, but like opening a I don't know how that GoFundMe shit work. I thought about opening a GoFundMe or something where you guys, like, whoever wants to support the channel, wants to support the build, can donate, like, whatever. It doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to, of course, but, you know, if you can, you know, if you guys want to see more, like, mods to this car, or, you know, anything like that, then that would be a spot where, like, you guys can donate something. But I don't really know, man. I've tried doing it myself, like, but it's hard, bro. Like, we live in New York, it's expensive over here. There's just a lot of things, and unfortunately I can't, you know, do everything that I want to do to this car because there's no money. But hey, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. But let me know if you guys would donate, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little weird saying that, but hey, it's the truth, bro. Like, you know, I can't really do anything to this car as much as I want to, unless I freaking, I don't know, get a better job or something like that, because, you know, you don't make no money from YouTube. And I honestly make these videos for you guys because for one, I love BMWs and I love cars. For two, I love making videos, and I just want to make the best video possible. So, like, you know, money is like, I don't know, bro. Money is just paper at the end of the day, and like, you honestly just need this. You just need the shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just need the money, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. But that's not what this video is about. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut the hell up, do my POV drive, man, because I honestly missed this car in the rain. Look, guys, I'm doing a drive in the rain for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking about all that nonsense because, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, baby. I think the car's pretty warm enough now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it into sport. Your boy has some gas still, you know what I'm saying? It's actually been lasting a very long time because, like I said, I haven't driven the car in such a long time. But it looks like that shit is at 80 miles right now. By the time we finish with this drive, I'm sure it'll be at like 50, you know. But we're gonna go ahead and jump on the highway here. I really want to find some really nice roads to drive on, but I don't know where to go, bro. Like, I honestly don't got any friends, bro, that know of any spots. Maybe I could ask on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing, but follow me on Instagram. And yeah, bro, let me know where I could drive to, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know where to go, bro. Like, I always just kind of go the same way because I don't know where to go, gang, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and go crazy, boy. You guys already know that this car is freaking amazing in the rain, in the snow, anywhere. Okay, maybe not so much in the snow because, as you guys know, it is all-wheel drive. So if you're sliding, bro, and you brake or anything like that, your whole wheels are everything's gonna be sliding. So in the rain, it's pretty good. In the snow, not so much, you know what I'm saying? Still drivable, but it's more dangerous. But yeah, bro, we're chilling. How did it go up 2 miles on gas? But so you guys see, man, it wasn't raining like a second ago. Now look, you know. But yeah, bro, I just want to do so much to this car, bro, and this car, it freaking sucks that I can't, bro. It really does. And on top of that, we don't have any, like, I'm not gonna say, like, we don't have any sponsors or anything like that, where, like, you know, a lot of these big YouTubers and stuff get a lot of the stuff from their sponsors, and we don't got that, man, so I can't do shit. But it's all good, man. You just gotta stay grinding, stay consistent, and hopefully one day, you know, we can level up and go crazy. But you gotta go through these hard times sometimes for you to, you know, really appreciate it, for once when it does come, and two, I don't know, two, but I think one's pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and have some fun, bro. Obviously, we'll stay safe out here. Gotta be careful with the hydroplaning, planning, whatever that thing is called, especially with a low car. You know, you can easily lose control and all that. But besides that, like, we straight, bro. Ah, man, I love this car so much, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, it got to a point where I almost sold this car, bro. Like, I thought about selling it. I'm like, bro, I can't keep this car anymore. Like, cause I have 2 cars, and so I gotta make payments on the other car, and then also gotta make payments on this car. You know what I mean? So, like, having 2 cars and not making enough money for both, and like, New York is expensive, bro. I don't know, bro, but I thought about selling it, but then I'm like, nah, I can't do that. I sell this car, it's over for YouTube in terms of, like, making content about it. So nah, I'm gonna just continue to do my thing, bro. Yes, sir. Get out the way, move, fool. No way this guy's cutting grass right now. What the heck? It's literally raining, bro. What are you doing? cutting grass in the rain is crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I think that's the first time I've seen something like that, where you cutting the grass in the rain, bro. That's wild, bro. Look at another one. Nah, they better be making the big bucks today to be cutting grass. Is that even smart to do? I mean, they would know probably more than me, because obviously I don't cut the grass, so I don't know how that moves. But I thought that you'll mess up the machine if you get it wet, but I guess not. Yes, sir. Man, let's yup. Yeah, man, this car is beautiful. Ooh wee. All right, let's see, where should we go, man? I feel like you guys see this so often, bro, but I honestly don't know where to go, you know? And it's not like I have all the time in the world right now, because I gotta go back to work and all that, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let me see. If I go down this way. All right, no cars coming. Let's get it. Yep. And the winter is about to come too, so like, oh, you know what I haven't done? I haven't done any donuts in this car. Obviously, you guys know it's all-wheel drive, so it's kind of more difficult to do, but I think you can do it. But I know that my friend, who also has a 440, he tried to do donuts on this car, and he said that after he did 2 donuts, like, the car stopped him. Like, it just wouldn't go anymore. I don't know if he was just doing it wrong or what, but maybe in the snow it would be cool to do. So when the snow comes, if we even get any snow, because you guys know, bro, New York, bro, I don't know, this weather is weird, bro. So last year we got snow like twice or 3 times maybe, and it wasn't nothing like major, you know what I'm saying? Like, the snow here doesn't last. Same with the rain. Like, when it rains, it dries up super quick. So, but I think doing donuts in this car would be kind of cool to do, huh? I've done donuts, but I took off. I have X delete. If you guys don't know what X delete is, it's pretty much like, oh, look at a BMW 440,000. Is it a 440,000? I don't know, maybe a 435. But if you guys don't know what X delete is, it's pretty much where you pretty much delete, like, you know, like it's in the saying, delete the front wheels. That way it's only your back wheels working. But then I also heard stories that it's not good doing it to your car. It'll mess up your transfer case, and it can, you know, damage the car. So I just, what the, bro, shut up, damn, that shit's mad loud. So I stopped doing it, and I just kind of got scared, so I stopped doing that. And yeah, and also freaking tires is not cheap, so doing donuts, bro, you run through them tires, bro. I don't know how the Hellcats and all those Challenger cars like do it for so long, because I mean, they do have thicker tires, so their tires kind of last longer. But in this car, bro, when I did donuts, that shit lasts me like one day, bro, and I didn't even do that much donuts, bro. Like, it's crazy. As a matter of fact, I'm about to show you guys a clip right now of me doing donuts. So look. Yeah, that's me doing donuts, you guys. Your boy Sticks can do donuts too, man. That was like my first time trying it, and it felt kind of weird, bro. I got so scared, bro, like that wheel, because I've seen so many videos where the wheel just flies off and stuff like that. So it's a little scary doing it, but it's pretty cool, you know what I mean? All right, bro. Get out the way, move, fool. I'm not gonna lie, if we do another road trip somewhere, guys, I'm gonna take this car, bro. But I'll make sure that, you know, I got all my service done and all of that done. Because this time I didn't do it because obviously I didn't have any of my service stuff, so I couldn't take it with me. But yeah, man, just driving around freaking this area, bro, because I'm always over here. And I don't want to go to the Bronx because the traffic is not even going to be worth it. So driving up here is better. I don't know if you guys can hear those pops, but my car is feeling aggressive. He mad at me right now because I haven't driven him in a while. I think that's why. Don't worry, bro. Oh, what the heck? It slid. Oh, shit. What the? That shit scared me. I was not expecting that. Nah. That thing just freaking, the back end, like, turned a little bit. Oh, that was a little scary because I wasn't prepared for that. I mean, I do have my traction off, so I guess that might, you know, have an effect, but just enjoying the rain, man. What's this guy doing, bro? Is that like a throwing salt kind of a car? I don't know. Maybe I don't know what that thing is, but yeah, bro, let's go up here and come back around. Yes, sir, broski. Come on, man. Damn, I really haven't driven this car in such a long time, bro. A week though? That's crazy. It's literally just been parked running like at my house, bro, for that whole time. Obviously, I've been back for over a week now, but it's just that I haven't driven the car. It's just been there, bro. Where you going, bro? You going left, right, left, right? Matter of fact, I'm gonna go that way too. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm sorry, you guys. Like, this is like the only time I'm having fun. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I haven't had fun in a mile long, bro. So this car just is so fun. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know what it is? I think I'm acting like a crackhead because I'm making a video. You know, that's what it is, bro. Like, I be so quiet when I'm not doing a video, bro. I just be thinking about everything, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, man, I just be thinking about my shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. So now that I'm in the car, all that is like, this car to me is like going to the gym. I don't know if you guys go to the gym, but like going to the gym, you know, like when you're working out, you're just thinking about lifting the weight. You're not thinking about anything that's happening outside or anything like that. You're just there to lift the weight. So when I'm in this car, I don't think about nothing. I'm just thinking about having fun with it and just kind of doing the drives and just enjoying the car, bro. That's honestly what I do when I get in this car. When I'm outside the car, then I start thinking about life, man. Shit. But vámonos, coño. Este es el carrito bacano de Sticks. Este es el Sticks Mobile. We got a Mercedes right there. Mercedes something. I don't know. They're cool though, but it's all good, man. But yeah, man, I'm about to actually run into the gym real quick because I gotta do something in there. Yeah, I think I you know, did my little drive for you guys. I gotta go back to work in like 45 minutes anyway, and so just want to let you guys know that I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you guys are new and you guys, you know, want to support the kid, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Hold on, I can't even see the thing. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna continue to work for you guys, man. I'm gonna continue to grind and hustle and do my thing for each and every one of you guys. So I appreciate if you guys just drop a like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and your boy is gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.